Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use AI dubbing to change a speaker's voice. To begin, enable the speakers feature. SubEasy will automatically detect each speaker in the video. Next, you can assign names to each speaker. Here's how the original voice sounds before any dubbing.
Do you cook a lot at home?
Not as much as I would like to. I would love to cook more because I actually enjoy the process of cooking, but I just cook out of convenience.
Click the dubbing button to begin. For example, you could start by dubbing all the male voices first. SubEasy offers an extensive range of voice styles, and you can listen to each one before applying it.
My dog chased a squirrel up the oak tree while I was chatting with Mrs. Johnson over the fence. My dog chased a squirrel up the oak tree while I was chatting with Mrs. Johnson over the fence.
Once you've selected a voice, simply click Generate. You can use the same approach to dub the female speaker's lines.
My dog chased a squirrel up the oak tree while I was chatting with Mrs. Johnson over the fence.
My dog chased a squirrel up the oak tree while I was chatting with Mrs. Johnson over the fence.
You can also add emotional tone to the voice you select. Click the dubbing button and turn on the preview toggle. You can now preview the fully dubbed video you just generated.
Do you cook a lot at home?
Not as much as I would like to. I would love to cook more because I actually enjoy the process of cooking.
Once you're satisfied, you can export the video with the dubbing applied. Let's take a look at the final result.
Do you cook a lot at home?
Not as much as I would like to. I would love to cook more because I actually enjoy the process of cooking. But I just cook out of convenience.